Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, I've got this beautiful home right here on the creek that can get you right into Deer Point. I'm so excited about all of this space and serenity, and this could all be yours. Let's go check it out. So here we are in this beautiful large kitchen. You've got all of this countertop space, including an island. It flows right into the dining room, plenty of room for the whole family, and you've got that open concept. Plenty of space here for everybody to enjoy. Now, let's go check out the bedrooms. Welcome into this main ensuite here in this 3-bed, 2-bath, beautiful ranch home. You've got tray ceilings that have uplighting for some of that ambiance, if you want to cuddle in the winter months or whatever. But what I love about this is you've got these beautiful updated floors and a nice expansive ensuite. Dual countertops, a shower, you do have your soaker tub, the closet's right here, and it's got a water closet, which is becoming quickly one of my favorites. Let's go check out the rest of the house. So I love you've got this Florida outside living, this fireplace on this perfectly situated screened in porch. You could sit out there and enjoy some coffee, watching the kids play in the backyard, or you can mosey right on down to your dock and launch your kayaks or your small boat. This is perfect serenity. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to check out all of this wonder. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any amazing deals like this one.